What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hammerstein, and today we got a bunch of new pair of earbuds on this channel here, and we have the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, and this one does come with the Arbor Green Edition, and I'm just super excited. I am a big sucker when it comes to wireless earbuds. I always really do love it because I use it every day. I mean, when I'm out eating, when I'm out going to work or whatever, I just need some nice good pair of earbuds, some nice ANC and all these other things. I mean, watch your content, listen to some podcasts, definitely you would want some nice pair of earbuds. And for the price point, I can't really give it to you right now. Hopefully by the time this video does come out, I can give you the price on this. I'll put it down below as well. So in today's video, what we're going to do, of course, is to unbox this, check out the key features on this, and of course, just to give you my thoughts and my opinion on it. So yes, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off here with the packaging, and again, it's very similar to any other OnePlus products over here. I mean, they do have that nice familiar design. I wouldn't say it's the most premium looking compared to other brands, but you know, it does get the job done. I mean, if you look at this, and if you bought any other previous OnePlus device, especially when it comes to earbuds, it does look exactly the same. You do have your photo here, your product image, and you do have the words here, and it does come with your Dyna audio. So I'm going to test out how does that sound. Very nice clean design. Let us just take this out. Running commentary over here, put this on the side, making it look really cool. And buds for life. I mean, yeah, that's a good subterfuge if you guys know what I mean. Okay, so taking this out, let's see what we can get. Some manual books and stuff, some product description as well. Dyna Audio Melody Boost dual driver technology, co-created with Dyna Audio, redefined OnePlus Buds Pro, and of course you have your manual book stuff. Come on, let me know in the comments down below how many of you guys actually read all this manual books and stuff. I mean, the tutorial guide, I think, is definitely really helpful, but you know, all these things, you know, whether they should just put a QR code there for you guys, I think that would be probably better, right? For long-term purposes. I'm gonna put this here with the AOA Colossus, so you guys can check it out on my separate channel. And here we have the earbuds, and here we have the things here to tell you where's the touch area. Let's see what else we have. We have some accessories, and we have the earbuds tips as well. So you can just peel this off, cater it to what size you want, whether you want L, XL, or medium. And let's see what else we're gonna get. So I'm gonna assume we have the fast charging cable inside here. And let's see if it's red. Yes, it is red. Nice cable. There's nothing else inside. Okay, and just closing this up, putting back into this. I think this one looks really nice. I mean, I do like the packaging here. Very nice, clean, and simple. And now the big boy over here. Let's just slide this off, put it to one side, and admire this. I really love this chrome finish. I did wish that the OnePlus 11 came in this kind of design. Very nice matte finish to it. You have your laser engraving here as well. Very nice clean design. Dyna Audio. It is a little bit weighty for my liking. I think it's alright, to be honest. You can just pop it in your bag, pop it in your pocket. You're not gonna notice it whatsoever. It is very small, very nice rectangular design. Very slick, to be honest. Feels very premium indeed. I do a lot of this stuff, so I do know that they do have a nice design. And for this, I am actually going to use, obviously, the OnePlus 11. And immediately when I took this out, as you can see here, it does have the connect button. So all you need to do is just press the connect button. You have to download the HeyMelody app to access all of the main features. So that is what we are going to do. I'm going to install this here, go to HeyMelody. And just while this is being installed, let's just check out the earbuds here. Let's take this out. Let's take this out. Okay, all these ear tips very clean. And wow, it does have a nice weight to it. Not very lightweight, but not very heavy as well. Again, nice chrome finishes on the insides as well. You do have your glossy things on the bottom here, on the stem, and you do have your microphones that you are going to notice on the edge of the stems, and very nice clean design. I really like this. And you do have your silicone tips, and you do have more mics and speakers as mics on the sides as well. So very nice weight to it. Feels definitely very, very premium indeed. And now let's open up the app and see what we are dealing with. So statement reviews, agree and continue. Okay, so I need to enable all this. Okay, while using the app. So yeah, nowadays, security issues. So OnePlus Buds Pro 2 in use. All right. So this is what we are going to get. Very, very nice. Allow, a lot of allowing to do. So again, this is how the app would look like. Very nice, clean design. Left battery indicator, so right battery indicator, and your case indicator as well. So it's able to give you up to 30 hours of battery life over here. So definitely very, very helpful for you guys who are going to use it for your long trips or your long flights whatsoever. You can travel from like Malaysia all the way to the US, which is about 24 hours in total, and you don't need to worry about the battery on this. And you can change your noise cancellation as well mode, which we are going to test out in a bit. Personalized noise cancellation, sound master EQ. Okay, very interesting. And one thing that's really nice, I do like about this, is the fact that you can actually customize your own EQ settings. Very, very nice. All right, so now I'm going to do the connection test and the touch control test as well. So I'm going to play some content here and pop this out, put it into my ears. 1, 2, okay, about 2 seconds, and left side in. Okay, all both ready to go. So really, really cool. And if we just squeeze it once, okay, it pauses. And if I go to my left side, squeeze once, and it plays. Very, very nice. You do have that nice clickish sound. And if you double tap, okay, it goes to the next one. And if you triple tap, okay, and if we tap and hold, okay, you just have your Google Assistant. Okay, really, really nice. Okay, all ready to go. Very nice, very efficient and very clean. So very smooth. So when it comes to transition, and as you can see, the moment I plug it into my ears, it starts playing. If I take out one earbud, okay, it kind of stops playing. If I put it back in the case, close the case, does it play? No, it doesn't. If I just tap, all right. So that is one thing that you can keep in mind. I do prefer it to just continue to play regardless of it. Of course, you can turn off the auto in-ear detection, and back again here, you can just go on. Very seamless, definitely with the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, which is again really, really nice, very clean design, and of course clean software as well. All right, so now we're going to test out some music on this, and definitely I can't let you guys hear, but I'll definitely tell you and feedback to you guys on how the volume is. So 1, 2, 3, let's go. Yeah. All right. Vocals are very clear. Very clear. The bass hasn't hit yet. Sing in the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. All right. This daily. Okay. Okay, noise cancellation. So if I'm playing something else on my another phone, so if I play here,
oh no, those are beautifully put together.
Okay, I hear very minimal. Then I'm still listening to my content. I'm playing something over here, and it's not really disturbing me because the transparency.
And then a little bit later in the US. But yeah, Nendroid
Oh, okay.
smile.
Oh, it's very loud. So okay, I did turn this off. So as you can tell, it is kind of very good. Like it kind of amplifies the sound. Not very robotic, which you would get in most of the other earbuds where they go for the transparency mode, which is really nice. And again, really awesome to hear. Let's go to my videos. I mean, I watch a lot of this kind of stuff nowadays. So Okay, and it's go to off. Okay, you get a minimal sound here. Okay. So transparency mode on this and the ANC is really, really good. And then let's go on to the sound master EQ. Okay, you get definitely more bass. Not too heavy, I would say. Not too heavy. Serenade. Okay, not much difference. Okay, let's go to more heavy music on this. Let's go to... Okay, I want to test out the spatial audio as well. It works. I mean, definitely, once you get it, you understand what I'm talking about. Like, when you just tilt your head one side, you definitely feel it on, like, either your right or your left, depending on where your phone is. So it works really nice. And the transition on it is really, really smooth. You're not going to notice a lot of difference. Like, like, it's there. It just smoothly transitions. Really, really cool. And again, like, very nice pair of earbuds. I think they have done a remarkable job with this. Really, really nice and definitely really recommended. Okay, and of course, one more thing to talk about is the latency on this. And what I can say is that latency, they say it's about 15 milliseconds or something like that. So it's very, very minimal. Watching here and listening on my ears is just exactly the same. So definitely it's really nice. And yeah, definitely can use it for music, definitely, and also watching content.
Alright guys, so now we're going to also just to let you guys know how it looks as well. So this is basically how it feels like in my ears. Very comfortable. I've been using it for a few days already and it fits in really really nice and snug. So like even if I run around, you can see it's not gonna get loose, it's not gonna get shaky in the ears. So very nice and comfortable fit. And also like I mentioned, this is a mic test, so you can tell by the mic quality as well. How does it sound?
Okay, so I'm gonna give you my review here after using these earbuds for the past 2 weeks extensively. And the first two cons that I want to talk about here is the spatial audio. So the spatial audio only works for some reason with the OnePlus 11. It doesn't work with my Galaxy S22 Ultra, even with the HeyMelody app. Second thing I want to talk about the spatial audio is that if I just put it on my table and I'm just looking at it, just doing my own thing, for some reason, sometimes the audio kind of goes from my left to right, even without me moving my head. And sometimes I have to like tilt my head, rotate my head to kind of recalibrate it, which is a little bit weird. And yeah, I hope they do kind of fix this with a future update. And second thing I want to talk about here is the kind of stuttering that you will get with this, especially for some reason, again, when using the OnePlus 11. So what I mean by that is that if I'm locking my screen, turning my screen on, switching in between apps, and doing just multiple things at a time while listening to some music on YouTube Music, Spotify, or even to YouTube when I'm using picture-in-picture, the audio kind of cuts off here and there, which is a little bit annoying. And sometimes the left earbud would play it first, then the right, and after about 2 to 3 seconds, it kind of corrects itself. So that is one thing again. And I hope that there will be an update either to the OnePlus 11 or to the Buds Pro to fix that, because it doesn't really happen with my Galaxy S22 Ultra. Other than that, in terms of pros, there's a lot of pros on this. The battery life is amazing, the sound quality and the connection. And in terms of latency when you're watching shows, all very good, all as delivered. So there is all of it good on this. But again, there are two things that you want to consider about this when you want to purchase this. So yes, that is one thing to consider. And in case you've got any questions, do leave in the comments down below. This is Dr. Hammerstag, and I'll see you guys in the next one.